When we talk about this one, we're going to have sunflower oil, vitamin E, shea butter, coconut oil, and it is going to also have beeswax and candelilla wax. So locking in all that moisture, wonderful, nice, creamy lip balm, but it changes color. So let me go ahead and take this off so you guys can see. Now, I do have kind of pinkish lips, so I'll put it on my hands too so you guys can see, because some people don't have a lot of rosiness to their lips naturally like I do. Not that sounds like I'm bragging or something. I'm not. It's annoying. I had to put like foundation on just to put lipstick on. It's really annoying. So now we're going to put on the WBM color changing. These are really cool. So let me just go ahead and right in front of you guys. It gives you, see how it's getting more intense? Really pretty rosy color that it creates. And then see, the color is color changing. So let me go ahead and put it on my hand so you guys can see. Okay, so it's like this, right? I got some of the color change already here. So I'm going to put it on here for you guys. I'm just going to go across my whole hand, okay? Like that, just for fun. And it starts to change color. So you see how it's starting to get like rosier and rosier and rosier on the back of my hand? And of course I'm kind of tan, so I don't know if that really helps, does it? Here, maybe somewhere where I'm like white. Where I'm a little bit more white. And of course it's going to work better on your lips. You guys saw that. Right there. So see how it's starting to get pinker and pinker and pinker on my skin? Okay. So pink, that pink little strip here that's happening on my skin there versus how when I put it on my lips, look how that beautiful that pink color is that it created. And again, really cushiony, silky, soft. As it sits, it gets darker. You notice how like my lips are getting darker and darker? And that looks like you have a beautiful glossy lip gloss on, like you put on lip liner, all this stuff, but then it's just natural. But then when you go to kiss something, it's clear. So hey, you know? I love that. It's so cool. I would recommend both. I mean, the color changing lip balm is glossy. It changes to a beautiful flushy pink color, really youthful looking, very plumping effect. It has a shea butter, it has a cocoa butter, it has olive oil in it. It's going to have your vitamin E oil, your sunflower oil in it as well, beeswax and candelilla, so really nice and locking in the moisture. You're getting antioxidants. It's helping to plump up your lips and soften them, even those crusty old lips, by giving you that beautiful pink color that it turns. That is just really not loud and crazy. It's just a beautiful kind of like, oh my gosh, so youthful and like a flush look to your lips. I love that. Some people are like paying to get their lips like pink coloring. What do you call that? Like blush, like lip blush, where they like almost tattoo your lips sort of. Like it's like a procedure where they just go in and put color to make your lips a little bit of like a flush pink so that they look more stand out when you're just wearing lip balm. Why go pay a ton of money and then also put chemicals onto your lips when you could put on something like this and then just have this beautiful moisturizing and that color effect without having to go have a procedure. And it's $5. Look at that. And then for your daily lip care to get your 84 minerals, your extra antioxidants, similar ingredients to this one, but it doesn't change your color. And it has that natural cherry, so real cherry oil in it, for really wonderful for anti-aging. Have this one for when you want to have color, and have this one as just your daily, every single day lip balm. You get a 2-pack for $4.88, and then for your beautiful color changing that creates this beautiful pink color, it's $5.03. Let me go ahead and put some of this on over. You can combine both of them together. Oh my goodness, so plumping and so smooth. It's so like a hug for your lips. You guys are going to love these lip balms. I guarantee you. I will put my name on it. You know how I am when I live stream. If I tell you I put my name on it, I know you're going to love it. I can't see why you wouldn't. It's lip balm. It's super cushy and soft. It hydrates like crazy. Great benefits. And then the color too. I love it. Look at that. I could talk about lip balm forever, but let's keep going.